In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a PowerPoint presentation. Whether you're preparing for a big meeting, a class presentation, or simply need a hard copy for review, being able to print your slides effectively is a great skill to have. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to make sure that PowerPoint is open on your computer. If you haven't already done so, locate the application in your Programs menu and launch it. Once you have PowerPoint open, go ahead and navigate to the presentation you want to print. Whether it's a file you already have saved or one you need to create, ensure it's ready for printing, check your slides to confirm everything is in place, and make any necessary adjustments before proceeding. With your presentation open, look towards the top of the screen where you'll see a series of tabs. The tab you want is labeled File. Clicking on it will open a new menu where we access all our saving and printing options. From the list that appears, you'll need to select the option that says Print. This is where we set up our document for printing. When the print menu is open, you'll notice various settings and options. You don't have to print immediately, take a moment to explore the settings. You can choose your printer, decide on whether you want full page slides, handouts or notes, and adjust the number of copies. It's important that you get these options exactly how you need them for your presentation. Now, to actually create a printable file, you'll click print once more. It's a little misleading as we're not sending straight to the printer just yet. What we're doing here is preparing a PDF. A dialog box will pop up asking for a file name. This is where you'll type in a memorable and appropriate name for your file, ensuring it reflects the presentation's content or purpose. Once you've named your file, go ahead and click Save. This will generate a PDF version of your presentation, which is an easy and reliable format for printing. PDFs help preserve your layout and design, so you don't lose any of that important work you put in during your creation process. After the PDF is saved, locate it on your computer. You can usually find it in your default download or document location, unless you've saved it elsewhere. Right click on the PDF file, and from the drop down menu choose the print option. This will open your printer's dialog, allowing you to make any last minute adjustments like paper size or print quality. With everything set, follow through and print out your document. You'll have your PowerPoint slides printed and ready for use in your meetings or presentations. Being able to print your presentation effectively can really make a difference when it comes to presenting your ideas clearly and professionally. So try it out and you'll soon be a pro at it.